Mr. Garcia asked his health class how many days last week they exercised for at least 30 minutes. A bar graph shows the number of students for each number of days. 1 student exercised 1 day. 3 students exercised 2 days. 2 students exercised 3 days. 6 students exercised 4 days. 8 students exercised 5 days. 3 students exercised 6 days. And 2 students exercised 7 days. What was the mean number of days of exercise? Rounded to the nearest hundredth? The choices are 3.50, 3.57, 4.36, 4.50, or 5.00. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's picture the data as a bar graph. Along the bottom is the number of days. From 1 to 7, the height of each bar is how many students reported that many days. 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 3, and 2. To find the mean, we need 2 totals. First, the total number of students. Adding the bar heights. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 gives 25 students in all. Next, the total number of exercise days. For each bar, multiply the number of days by the number of students. Then add, that is 1 times 1, plus 2 times 3, plus 3 times 2, plus 4 times 6, plus 5 times 8, plus 6 times 3, plus 7 times 2. This equals 1 plus 6 plus 6 plus 24 plus 40 plus 18 plus 14, which is 109 total days. The mean is the total number of days divided by the total number of students. So we compute 109 divided by 25, which equals 4.36. The mean number of days of exercise is 4.36.